We're back. Welcome to Rust Speedrun number 6. We are on chapter 3.5 in the Rust book, and it's the last one in chapter 3. Looks like a bit of a doozy, but we'll get through it real quick. Let's get into it. If you're new here, this is PageKey Tech, where we build things and learn things and all that stuff. And at the end of the day, we take back tech. So it's all about Boolean expressions and changing where you go in the code based on that. Let's see. If lets you branch. All right, so we can give this a go. Look at that, it works. If statement, cool. Blocks of code associated with the if statement are arms. So here's one arm and here's the other arm. Same terminology as the match expression. So we can include an else. That's pretty self-explanatory. We change it to 7 and it works. Must be of type bool. So this is not JavaScript where you can just throw anything in there and cross your fingers. Okay, good. I think that's a plus. Okay, we can use not equals. We can use else if. Wonderful. And there's a modulus operator. Good to know. If in a let statement. Wow. So we need the brackets. We cannot just put the things, but we can use a single statement. Interesting. So we should see number is 5, right? Number is indeed 5. So all of the return values, somehow the compiler actually figures that out and makes sure. So if we make that a string, it'll fail. Wow, that's cool. It's really good at assuming types. Repetition with loops. Loop tells it to execute a block of code forever. So it's basically a while true. So if we print loop hello, yep, it goes forever. Wow, you can return stuff from a loop statement. Okay. So if we declare a mutable I, we loop forever, we say hello. If I is 2, we break and give a value of 3, and each loop we add 1 to I, then we should end up with A being 3, right? Because we return, well, let's make it something interesting. 314, kind of like pi. A is A. So I'm expecting 314. I'm expecting hello to print once, twice, I think just twice. Okay, 3 times, close enough. Good, off by 1. Break and continue apply to the innermost loop, but you can use labels. Oh, that is great. So I can give it a looperino label. Wow, that's such a weird syntax, but now I know what that is, so that's good. Break, break counting up, break looperino. Can I also provide a return value and which loop I'm breaking? Does this still work? No. Labels are used before. Break label. What did I do wrong? Oh, I need a colon? Oh, that is so cool. Wow. Okay, so we have while loops as well. I think that's self-explanatory. Not even gonna run that. For loops. Aha. The for is basically a for each. For character in ABC, print line, worked. So doing it yourself is error prone because you could panic. If you reach too far into the array, you could forget to exit the while loop, so we don't like that, so use the for loop, okay? And they just refactor the earlier code. Okay, that's it for the chapter, and there are some challenges I'm not gonna do. And now we get on to ownership, an interesting concept that I have no clue about, so that'll be interesting. That's it for this one though, thanks for watching, see you for the next one.